Welcome to this presentation video about the Braille line, an innovation that has transformed the way blind or visually impaired people access written information. According to WebAIM, 35% of blind individuals rely on the Braille line to access written information. This figure reflects the vital importance of this system in the daily lives of millions worldwide. Let's open the Braille line. It comes with a USB-C cable to connect it to the computer, but this one also works with Bluetooth technology. It is important to note that Braille lines are available in different sizes, from 14 up until 80 characters, allowing them to adapt to the individual needs of the user. These sizes include 14, 20, 40, 60 and 80 characters, providing flexibility and comfort in reading. It is crucial to mention that Braille lines come in two different configurations, 6-dot and 8-dot. This configuration should be adjusted according to the user's specific preferences and needs to ensure an optimal and efficient reading experience. Additionally, to use the Braille line, it is necessary to connect it to a screen reader and configure the corresponding input and output, as we are going to see later. Let's take a look to the buttons at the Braille line. This top section is the one used for writing. The numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This row over here is the main section. As you can see, it's filled with dots that will go up and down to represent the Braille characters shown in the screen. To move the cursor, we can use this button, or we can select directly with these top buttons to move the cursor immediately to another position. At the sides, we have these two buttons that go up and down and a little one. The up and down will be used to move the paragraph up and down. And while moving within a menu, the central button will be used to select. This button is the space bar. When we are writing, we can press it to add a space. These buttons over here are used to adjust the speed while the Braille line is moving while we are reading. If we press these two buttons, it will slow down, and with these two, it will speed up. At the left side, we have a connector for the USB-C cable and a button to turn it on and off. The Braille line is much more than simply a reading system. It is a powerful tool that promotes independence, inclusion, and equal opportunities for millions worldwide. We will discover how the Braille line has opened doors to education, employment, and full participation in society for those living with visual disabilities. Depending if we are using 6-point configuration or 8-point configuration, the task of writing numbers and caps will be different. For example, while using 6 points configuration, we will use dots 3, 4, 5 and 6 followed by the number. So in case we want to write 1, it would be 3, 4, 5 and 6 and then number 1. In case we want to write caps, we will use dots 4 and 6 followed by the letter. So 4 and 6 and then the letter. In case we are using 8 points configuration, we will use the 8th dot followed by the number. So the 8th dot and the number at the same time. If we want to write caps, it will be the 4th dot followed by the letter. So 4th dot and letter. Okay, let's now connect the Braille line to the computer. It's just connecting the USB to the USB port. Then we will need to open a screen reader software. In my case, I will use JAWS. So now, if we set our cursor to a notepad, the letters will be highlighted. The cursor is represented by the two bottom dots that are going up and down. If I move the cursor with my keyboard, these two dots will move accordingly. If I move up and down, the Braille will change to represent the text in the line. If you are using the Braille line to read, if I start typing, the text will be reflected in the Braille line.